At the Chengdu Auto Show, the Hongqi brand made a splash with the official launch of the new Tiangong 05 and Tiangong 06 models. The Hongqi Tiangong 05 added two new models, priced at 212,800 yuan and 222,800 yuan respectively, while the Hongqi Tiangong 06 added four new models, priced between 232,800 and 262,800 yuan. These new models offer consumers a superior driving experience by offering significant innovations in the electric, battery, and powertrain systems. The newly added Tiangong 05 model is equipped with a high-capacity 98 kWh ternary lithium battery, significantly extending its range. Its range reaches 850 km under CLTC conditions, effectively alleviating users' range anxiety. Power performance has also been optimized by increasing the engine's maximum power output to 340 kilowatts and its maximum torque to 454 Nm. The 0 to 100 km per hour acceleration time has been reduced to 4.8 seconds, providing quick power response and effortless acceleration and overtaking. The newly added Tiangong 06 models feature a 98 kWh triple lithium-ion battery and extend the range to 780 km for the two-wheel drive model and 730 km for the all-wheel drive model, meeting the diverse driving needs of different users. The two-wheel drive model features a 340 kW motor, delivering a powerful 0 to 100 km per hour acceleration time of 4.9 seconds. The all-wheel drive model delivers even better performance with a total system power of 520 kilowatts, with the front and rear motors generating 180 kilowatts and 340 kilowatts, respectively. Accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.4 seconds, it delivers a lightning-fast driving experience. Both new models support 900V high-voltage fast charging, providing a 10% to 80% charge in just 12 minutes. Significantly shortening charging time and improving travel efficiency. Extensive improvements to the triple electric system in the new Hongqi Tiangong models address charging challenges while also increasing range and power performance. By offering consumers a higher quality choice, they are undoubtedly a strong contender in the new energy vehicle market.